Hello, I want to share with you how to create some of the special effects that I used in my piece Sea of Stars. Some of the effects will be known to you how to do, and some will be new, so I'll just go through them all in order. First of all, there are xylophonics, so that's where you press your finger down on the base of the string, and if you actually get it right down onto the strip here, I normally do it with my left hand, and then you're just playing the strings and you're making that um, stopped sound with the xylophonics. The next one to show you is probably the xylophonic harmonics. So this is where you're going to put your finger on the same place, but you're going to very quickly pull your finger away. So I'll show you with my right hand. I put my finger on the strip there, base of the string, and then I very quickly pull it away as I'm playing. So what is happening there is it's recreating the sound of a harmonic. So it's got the bloom of a harmonic, but it's not taking it up the octave. So very much like with a harmonic, it's all to do with the timing of where you stop the string to create the harmonic. It is very much the same with these xylo harmonics. So if it's not making that blooming sound, you probably just need to just work on the timing here to make sure it comes away. Very much similar to a harmonic, it's the same sort of principle with the timing. So that's xylophonic harmonics. The next thing is probably the tremolo. So there's two things. There's a tremolo glissando and then there's a xylo tremolo. What I do is I use my right hand and I sort of turn my fingers sideways, and I'm going to go like that on the string. And I find it's easier to just twist your hand so you're attacking it this way. Now the glissando is if you with your left hand, if you place your finger and keep in contact with the string, and you're just going to slide down, keep in contact with that string all the way. So if we start at sort of the harmonic point where that halfway would be, your tremolo above it. I find it helps if you can imagine you're a double bass player and you're sliding down the string as you're playing, and that will kind of really help with it. Obviously you're finding different pitches as you're going down, and we really want to try and get as many of those pitches as we can. And then you then stay there at the bottom on the xylophonic, and so that is the xylo tremolo that happens at the end of it. Okay, so the only other thing remaining is the harmonics, which obviously are fine, and they usually do them at the octave point. I also, in the duo version of this piece, have it as the 12th as well, which is at that higher point. So it's, you've got your halfway mark here, and then you're halfway between that mark again up here. So how the harmonics are built up is you'll see that it's a pattern of notes, but it's only actually on 2 strings. So it's harmonic of the octave, okay, so it's a lot easier than it may look. In the quartet version, I've actually changed that, so we're just playing them as written out notes. If you want to actually go ahead and experiment with playing them as the harmonics of the octave and the 12th, then you're very welcome to do so. I do hope you enjoy playing my piece, Sea of Stars.